For this recipe, we are using 4 boneless skin-on salmon fillet. They are about 8 ounces each. Combine 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. Then whisk to combine. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil or olive oil. To the oil, add 2 tablespoons of the blackening seasoning. You may use the rest of the seasoning for chicken, other fish, pork, or anything you want. Give that a quick whisk to incorporate. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Transfer the salmon fillets to the marinade. Make sure that the salmon pieces are evenly coated in the marinade. Then wash your hands before proceeding. Now, set your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes and let it preheat. And once preheated, transfer the salmon into the basket, skin side down. Air fry at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes, or until your desired doneness. For more of a medium rare, I would do 10 minutes instead of 12. And after 12 minutes, you may remove and transfer to a plate. And to finish it off, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the salmon. You may garnish with fresh parsley. Ooh. There you guys have it, air fryer salmon in just a few minutes. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye.